What if machines could operate, learn, and make decisions without direct human control? Welcome to the world of autonomous systems, technologies transforming our homes, industries, and entire society. In this video, we'll explore what autonomous systems are, how they work, and why 2025 is a pivotal year for this field. First of all, what are autonomous systems? They are systems that can achieve given goals independently in complex, changing environments. Common examples: self-driving cars, warehouse robots, delivery drones, and even smart home devices. They include important and key capabilities. 1. Sensing and perceiving the environment. 2. Making decisions and planning actions. 3. Acting safely with minimal or no human intervention. Now, let's talk about the tech behind autonomy. First is artificial intelligence. Machine learning. AI drives intelligent decision-making, learning from past data, and adapting to new situations. Second is sensors and perception. Modern systems use LiDAR, cameras, radar, and edge computing to understand their surroundings in real time. And last one is control and planning. Advanced algorithms let autonomous systems react, navigate, and schedule tasks safely, even in unpredictable scenarios. Now, let's discuss few applications. Number 1 is transportation. Self-driving cars and trucks are revolutionizing mobility and logistics, though true full autonomy remains a work in progress. Number 2 is robotics and factories. Autonomous robots handle assembly, packing, and even predictive maintenance, streamlining production in manufacturing, automotive, and electronics sectors. Number 3 is healthcare, agriculture, and beyond. Service robots assist in surgeries, harvest crops, or provide delivery in urban environments. Last but not least, number 4 is defense and security. Drones and advanced automated systems support surveillance, search rescue, and hazardous operations. So, what's new and what's next for the future? Human-machine collaboration. The future is not just about replacing people but collaboration. Robotic cobots work safely alongside humans. Challenges: integration faces hurdles. Energy efficiency, safety, ethics, and trust are major concerns for large-scale adoption. Sustainability, green automation and eco-friendly designs are gaining traction, ensuring automation helps reduce environmental impact. Now, let's discuss the big picture, impact future of autonomous systems, and let's summarize the whole thing. Autonomous systems promise to boost efficiency, reduce human error, and reshape how we live and work. But their growth raises tough questions about jobs, security, and ethical use. Balancing innovation, safety, and human values will define the next decade. As autonomous technology becomes more common, understanding and preparing for its opportunities and its challenges has never been more important. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoy this video, give it thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.